I am going to show you how to use this adjustable mount. There's a thin metal plate with 4 strong magnets and 2 pieces of double-sided tape. Cut the tape to size. Trim it a bit and stick it to the back of the D-meter 2+. Since magnets have polarity, don't put them too close together. Just measure the distance and test it out. Next, peel off the other double-sided tape. Bend the mount to the right angle and stick it onto the bike. Then you can just snap the unit on and do some final fine-tuning.